On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Keep going.
The following movie is rated I.
What's up, Mini? Wait a minute, you're not Minitruck.
I was only kidding!
What's up, Minitruck? Man, look at all this shit. Look at it all. Minitruck's got some work. Motorider painted his rims up. Pull over. Big rig coming through. Big mother trucker. We got ourselves a mini convoy of two.
What is going on here? Breakfast!
Motorider's gonna have a lift soon, huh?
Yep.
Breakfast. Get them tires on. Do a little off-roading video with Motorider. Home, Mini. I gotta pump up your tire before I forget. These are what? 300 pounds or what are they? 250? 275?
65.
265? A little low. There. That slowed you down too, Mini. A little different. Put some new stems too. One done. Huh. Guess what? I wasn't recording. Oh man, look at that. Holy cow.
Monster truck.
Oh my god, it's crazy. Look at that. I think you should leave it just like that. Got her?
There she is. Oops.
Got a peen locking nut, which is nice. Very nice. Perfect. Monster mini truck. Now it's a nice looking mini truck, right?
Oh yeah.
First test drive. Big truck. Big jacked up, big mud truck. Yeah, big tires jacked up. You can feel it, huh?
Oh yeah, you can feel it.
Pull her in where it was and we'll double check the alignment. Looks good. Oh, wait a minute. Mud flap. I was wondering what that doink 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 was. There you go. Get her done. Monster truck. Yeah, big mud truck, big tires. There you go, dump this below. And to my Florida friends, look at that. Hope we don't get a windstorm. It's gonna stick out when I mow. I can put that right on top of the you know what I'm trying to say. Thanks, Minitruck. Woo! Looks good, Motorider. Open her up a little bit. 54. Oh, how much wood did a woodchuck chop? Can't pull from me now, Motorider. Let me take out my supercharger. Yeah, I know. I will, I'll do it. I'm gonna do it. Oh, he's gonna try to mud out. Oh yeah, you're doing it. Keep going, Moto. Keep going.
A few moments later.
What the heck are these people doing? The water's flowing. Oh yeah, it's the weekend. Good old Bulls Bridge. Oh, kayakers. Wait your fucking turn. I don't have the heart to blow the horn. Look at that mini truck. On Minitruck.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.